Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech, and in this video we'll be looking at the Cambridge IGCSE ICT Paper 2 and presentations May-June 2019, and we're looking at the second variant. Okay, so let's dive into presentations. Okay, so task 7, presentation. You're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting unless otherwise instructed. Slides should be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. Create a presentation of 5 slides using the file. So obviously for us to be able to open this file here, we have to open a blank presentation, and then we click on file. Then click on open, and then I think we can look for it here, but I'm just going to I think I'm just going to click on folders. Yes, click on folders to find it here. Okay. This is so you're going to see something like this. So you click on all files, and then you click on let's see what we're doing here. All right, so G2 what? So this is it right here. So I'm going to open it. Yeah, so this is, I'm going to take off this. I'm going to enable editing, and I'm going to save it as a presentation file. Yes, I'm going to paste what I've copied, and it's going to be saved as a presentation. Very important. And then we can begin. On your slide 1, enter your name after the text presented by. So okay, so this is completed. Use a master slide to display only the following features on all slides. So let's open the master slide. So click on view, click on the slide master, and obviously this is the slide master. So this simply means that whatever modifications you make here, obviously is going to reflect on all the slides. Okay, for example, let me just give you a quick one. If I put a circle here, it's going to reflect down too. Okay, so that's fine. So let's head back to it. Display only the following features on all slides: your name, center number, candidate number. So I'm going to click on insert, headers and footers. Right here on my footer, I'm going to type my name, comma, center number AN017, A for Ajiro, N for Andy. Obviously I'm using my name as the initials for my center number, comma, candidate number is 2023. What else? Automatic slide numbers is going to be here, so I'm going to apply to all, and I'm just going to modify this. Select all, go to my home. I think I like making it 18 so that it's going to be very bold and very legible for the examiner to see. Select here. Okay, bold, and yes. Okay, I think that's completed. Format the first slide so that a title slide layout is applied. So I'm just going to click on view, click on normal, and I'm going to format the first slide. So I'm going to give a title slide to it. Okay, the title and the subtitle text are centered in the middle of the slide. So obviously at default this makes it to be at the middle, which is fine. So okay, this is completed. Add the following text as presenter or speaker notes for the slide with the title threads. So I'm going to add this. under the speaker notes. Now, obviously, I've done a video on speaker notes right here on my YouTube channel, so you could just glance through to check, and then you could actually see it. But we're just going to dive right in. Now, visually, obviously, a speaker note is a view that enables speakers to be able to put in additional points, because obviously for PowerPoints they are all in points. So, but for the speaker notes, they have the opportunity of putting in extra resources on their slides that shades it away from the audience. So obviously the speaker note view, the audience will not be seeing it. It's only meant for the speakers. There's the reason why it is called the speaker notes. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this, and under the title threads, so I'm going to look for threads. So obviously here we have notes here, right? I'm going to type it in here. Okay, for the threads, so it's going to be for the slide with the title threads can negatively affect the situation of closing. Print only the slide as a presenter or speaker notes. Okay, so let me print only the slide here, which is slide 5. So I'm going to save, and I'm going to print. Okay, so I'm going to print this as a note page, and this will be for 5. Yes. Okay, so this is going to be okay. Okay, so print this note, this slide as a presenter or note. Okay, so they are not telling you if it's going to be landscape or portrait. So whichever one I think it works. So we're going to print this. Just going to look for it. Nope. So this is going to be what? Print out 8. Print out 8. Okay, and yes, it is on the slide. Save the presentation. Print the presentation as handout using a layout of 6 slides to the page. Okay, so I'm going to print this. Okay, 6 slides to the page. Now obviously this is a 5 slides. Now if you go back to check, this is a 5 slides. So obviously whichever you want to use, whether it's horizontal or vertical, still going to be the same thing. Okay, so this is going to be print out 9. Okay, so it's going to be print out 9. So this is completed. Now make sure your name, center number, candidate number are on all slides. It's important because obviously if it's not on all slides, it's not going to be marked. Okay, so we can just have a glance through to see what we have done for the printout 8. So this is for the speaker notes under threads. You can see that can negatively affect perceptions of cruising, and we can check to confirm. You can actually check to confirm. Okay, with the title threads. So that is it right here. Okay, the next one is going to open the next one. Okay, have to be in a handout of 6. So we have the first one, second one. Now, and if you check, you will see that my name, center number, candidate number appears on this document. So it is important that you do that. Okay, so I think we are done here. So please do well to don't just watch this video, but please practice along with it. Please practice along with it, because see, if you watch the videos and you don't practice along with it, there's no way you're going to get better. Okay, so please practice along with it, and please do well to like this video. Yeah, please do well to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IGCSE ICT practical videos. Bye.